Hi friend, this is Krishna here. In this video, we'll know about swift cut in SolidWorks. SolidWorks in swift cut. So let me choose the plane. I'll choose the top plane. A sketch. Make one sketch here. Rectangle like this. Select. Exit the sketch. Go to the feature. Extrude boss base. And you give a 50. Extrude. Okay. Now I want to make one swift cut here in this plane, so select this plane, sketch, normal, and give a 0. And go to sketch, normal, and make one path here, like this, and then you just rotate the plane. Now I want to make one plane in this point, so exit the sketch. Now you choose the go to the feature, select this plane and select this point, and go to the select the plane, right plane, yeah, right plane, give it right plane. Okay, now you just go to the normal, just rotate this. Let me see the plane. Yeah, now you just go to a sketch. Now select the square in this point, like this. Okay, now exit the sketch and hide this plane. Again you hide this also. Now you go to feature and go to the swift cut. So select the profile. This is our profile, and this is path. So select this path. So this is you can go to circular and sketch type, circular, like this, solid circular, sorry, circular, sketch type. Go to the sketch type and select this sketch profile, and select this path. Now just click the OK. Now see, there is a hole, there is a cut. So this is called swift cut. Again I will try another example. I will make one hole here. So select this plane. So select this plane. I want to make hole. So extrude cut directly. No need to go to. So better to do. I want to make hole here. Circular rectangle type hole. Or else you can rectangle type hole. If you want, then you can go directly extrude cut and make a cut. But I want to make a cut of in this path. So select this plane, select this face, select the plane, sorry, select this face, go to the plane, select the plane, and you can give a 0, change the flip side and give a 50, so it will is in on surface, so I'll give it 25, so it will become in the middle point. Okay, now you go to normal, go to a sketch. Now you draw one path here, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Exit the sketch. Now you just rotate. Now see, it is in the center, midpoint. So I want to make another plane here in this point. So go to the feature, select the plane in this point, and choose the front plane, top plane, right plane. Yeah, so this is the right plane. Okay, now you make one pentagon in this point, like this. Okay, exit the sketch, hide this plane, again hide this plane also. Now is path is completed, profile is completed. Now you go to feature, go to feature, and swift cut, select the swift cut, select the profile. This is our profile, select the profile, and this is path, so this is our path, select this path. Okay, now see, it have cut in inside. So let me see the hole is happen inside or not. So go to section cut, see, now the cut is happen. Now just rotate, see, is a hole is here in inside. So this is called swift cut. Okay, in next video we'll know about lofted cut and boundary cut. Okay, thank you.